My husband pushed me out these 3 years. I dey take pay school fees, I dey take pay house rent, I dey take dey feed them, clothe them, because all of them are girls get married. I don't have anybody. I don't have father, I don't have mother. I have 5 children. Wetin I take dey manage with the 5 children be this. Even the first one don write WAEC, second one too don write WAEC, but I don't get money to push them forward.
So how long were you there for marriage?
I dey married for 18 years of marriage.
You dey married for 18 years. So make we for dey clear. The reason why you and your husband no dey again na waiting for 18 years na waiting.
The reason why I say na woman are born because I be Igbo woman. You know Igbo man, the first pikin, if he be man, you no get problem. Or second one be man, you no get problem. But if na woman, you don't have seat for that place.
Okay, so because say you born 5 girls, na why your husband say he no do again? Yes. So how has business been lately?
The business no dey okay o, because this mineral before we dey sell am 250, now it's 500. This one we dey sell am 150 before, it's 450 now. Malt is 500 before, now na 600.